Hey, welcome back, my amazing student. So on this lecture, we're gonna go and follow up with the homework I gave you. Hopefully some of you already were able to achieve it. If not, don't worry, we're gonna do it now, okay? So first things first, we're gonna set up that event, all right? We're gonna send the signal here to using the clear button to a function that we don't have yet, but we're gonna create in a minute. So let's go ahead and create this function right here. As a matter of fact, let's do it after this one. Let's do it right here. So let's do clear contacts, just like that. Of course, it's gonna take self, and this function is gonna be in charge of clearing up the name input, and that's very easy, right? We do something like this, right? Well, not exactly. Remember that we can clear up the whole list just like this, okay? I know some of you were doing the other way, right? It's okay, you try though, that's fine, that's why we're here, right? And what we're gonna do here is, instead of writing, because right now when we clear the contacts, right? We need to also make sure that we update, we do this thing here that we did in here. We need to draw again, right? We need to recreate the data again. And this is gonna become a hassle because right now we're not doing dry code, right? Dry code, guys, for those of you that are brand new, dry code means don't repeat yourself, right? So right now we will have to repeat ourselves if we keep going the same way that we are. So what I'm gonna do is this updating here, okay? I'm gonna take this off from here completely. This completely, and I'm gonna create a function. So I'm gonna call a function that I don't have yet, and I'm gonna make sure this is a helper function. So let's do underscore here, and let's do refresh data. Hopefully I can spell it correctly here, or refresh table. There we go. So let's go ahead and create that function right here. Okay, we're not doing anything with this one yet, okay? So let's do a refresh table. All right, we're gonna pass in self, and we're gonna put that data in there, okay? Oops, go ahead and do the whole thing. Let's just put this one back, right? There we go. So now let's see if this actually works, right? So let's go and open this up real quick. And you can see that it still does the same thing, right? All we're doing basically is refactoring our code just to make it so that way when we clear our contacts here, we can call that as well. So we can grab this guy here, and when we clear our contacts, we can update our table again, okay? And let's go here and let's use one of these guys and show something, right? So we can say, as a matter of fact, we don't even need F strings here. We can say all contacts cleared, just like that, okay? And yeah, make sure that this is actually hooked into this button. I think we called it clear, right? Yep. Clear, and this one's gonna call the clear contacts method, or should I say slat, okay? Alrighty, let's see if this actually works, right? Let's clear this up. It looks ugly the way it is right now. There we go. And now if I write anything here and I just add it, and just add a couple. There we go. And if I clear all, you can see that that has been cleared up. Now, if we did not update the table, nothing would happen. So if you want to try it out without doing the refresh table function, go ahead and try it out. That's how you learn, guys, all right? All right, we're done with this, guys. We're gonna be jumping into level 2 really soon, right? If we don't have any more lectures, we can jump into level 2. So make sure that you look for that link in the description. If not, if you have another lecture on this playlist, continue to the next lecture, And I'll see you guys then. Take care.